Hello. Um, okay, my name is Rachel and I'm serving in General Security. Well, serving to me, serving is more than just something that I do. Yeah, but I really feel that serving is my life because it changed me really totally 180 degrees. Yeah, I started, or rather, if you look at me now, or if, even when you know me, right, you won't realize that I am that girl that is how should I say it? Like 10 years ago, that is very tall, that is don't even smile. I don't even talk to anyone. Yeah, when I first came, right, even people around me even my friends, they find it difficult to talk to me. Yeah, and it was ministry that really broke me from the inside out. I think it's really a change, and I seen how really the Lord drop really giftings, yeah, and ability. It's not about where I serve or what I do. Yeah, I started with nothing. I don't even know anything. I don't even talk to anyone. I don't even like to be with people. Yeah, that's me. Just being very private. But yet it's the Lord, right, that caused to bring people in my life through serving, to build that kingdom friendship that just run or really to go through this journey together. Yeah, and really bring me to where I am today. Yeah, so and don't worry, like for me when I first started, right, I just wanted to do something in the house of God. Yeah, I didn't know what I want to do, where should I start, but as I speak to back then my friends or even the leaders, and they suggested ministry, right, this just resounded in me and just started to just decide to take that step of faith to just do something. And I saw how the Lord really grew and dropped that gifting and ability. And I really believe, right, that as long as you're available, when you're available, right, the ability will come. Yeah, it's not about you having that skill set or that knowledge. Like for me, I don't come from a background where I have like really security, but now when people interact with me, they thought that I'm in the police force, or like I have the skills to be where I am today, but no, I don't. I start with nothing at all. Yeah, but it was really how the Lord grew and taught me, and really just being available, and that ability came. That anointing, that wisdom, and that discernment, it's really just walking out the grace that the Lord has first given us, and then really just go what He has placed in our heart and in our hands. Yeah, so yep, that's me in a nutshell, I hope.